What is going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you guys this brand new and best Pokemon Go spoofer that you can use on both iOS and Android in 2026. Let me teleport real quick and show you guys that this spoofer actually works on iPhone and Android. Let's press OK, and I've just teleported to a new location, guys. So this spoofer definitely works. It has other features like auto walk, auto catch, joystick, teleport, and many more, and I'm gonna show y'all how you can easily get it on both iPhone and Android in 2026. So to get this Pokemon Go hack or Pokemon Go spoofer, you're gonna have to use an AI called HacksGPT. This is the AI that I've used to get it, guys. Once you're here, just go ahead and type Pokemon Go, then press on this green button, and the AI is gonna give you guys a quick response. Just go ahead and read all these steps. As you can see, there are also some pictures here so that you guys can use to get this spoofer more easily. So scroll up, read all these steps, then go ahead and press on this green button right here. And if you press it, you're gonna see a button that says see comments. If you press this button, you're gonna see some comments left by people who already installed this Pokemon Go spoofer. So anyway, close the comments, then press on start, press inject. But before pressing inject, make sure you guys have Pokemon Go already installed on the same device, because the AI is gonna inject the hack directly into your game. And if you want to disable the spoofer, you got the options in your settings, in your spoofer settings. And if you want to remove it completely, just reinstall Pokemon Go and the spoofer will be gone. But anyway, press on inject. Now wait until the VPN is gonna connect. This VPN connection is done for your safety, guys, because the AI is gonna inject the Pokemon Go hack remotely, and this is done to prevent developers from patching this Pokemon Go spoofer. Anyway, wait until the process is complete, then go ahead and open Pokemon Go, guys, and the spoofer will be right there and you'll be able to use it immediately. That's pretty much it, guys. Pokemon Go spoofing still works in 2026, and if you got any issues with a spoofer, just go back to the AI, talk to it, and it's actually gonna help you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.